Decided to make a little work video today, driving the wrecker, picking up a new toy for Josh. I didn't have any pictures of what I picked up, but I have some of the footage, I guess, of making the trip out and back with his new toy. I guess you'll have to guess what it is. We'll see who's the closest. Maybe I'll give you a shout out if you gamble and guess at what it is. I've got some more parts and stuff for the Cummins build, seals and harnesses, and I don't know, just a bunch of stuff, different things for the AirDog 2 4G pump. I've got some braided lines and stuff for like the turbo drain tube, feed tube, fittings, and just a bunch of stuff. And I'll go through some of that stuff later, but a bunch of stuff came in. I got a bunch of stuff sitting on the counter inside the kitchen also. So I'll have an update video hopefully this weekend on how that project's going. But the rest of the footage that's going to be after this video will be just running the 1990 Peterbilt wrecker with 3406B and a twin stick. It's a double frame, 46,000 pound rear. It's a really built heavy wrecker, and it's fun to drive. It's a little bit rough driving because of the Hendrickson suspension on the back, and the leaf springs up front have 9 leaves per side, so it's really stiff, but overall the truck runs really good. And this is just some of the footage of running it down the road, all the way up to Minot and then bring it back to Carrington. So I guess you'll see some of that footage. And here you go.
Continue on County Road 15 West for 3 miles.